Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean Phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and a free phone they have currently right now through their website. This might be available as well in their store. So you might be saying, how can I get the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G for free? Well, let's get into it. It's in the fine print, but let's get into it. So we'll go to shop now. This is on the official Boost Mobile website, guys. I haven't made one of these videos in a long time. You guys have been wanting me to do it, so let's get into it. So as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. That's right here. So 4.8 stars out of 24 reviews. That's out of 5. That's pretty good. Of course, it comes in the black color. And as you can see here is what it looks like. So pretty decent phone, I would say. Black, of course, color. 3 cameras in the back. So not bad at all. Now this phone does have 128 gigs of memory. Now, of course, you can't get the Boost Mobile protection plan. Basically insurance. If you don't, you can decline it. You can keep your number or get a new number, but for this offer it'll say keep your number. Trading device, you can get a credit towards your monthly payments if you trade in a device, or you can skip a trade-in. You don't have to trade in for this offer. But how to get this? So this phone retails at $349.99 or about $30 a month through Affirm, guys. But it says prepaid 2 months of unlimited premium. So 50 gigabytes of premium data, guys. You have to buy 2 months worth. It's going to be $100. Or sorry, the premium, it's going to be 60 and 60, so it's 120, my bad. But this does come with 50 gigs of premium data. That's where I got the 50 from. Mobile hotspot, global talk and text, North America Connect. You can see the full plan details right here. Like I said, if you use more than 50 gigs of high-speed data, premium data, your speeds may be lowered to 500 kilobits per second. Pretty useless at that point. So basically just know with this $60 unlimited premium, it's only 50 gigs of premium high-speed data, which it's a shame because Boost Mobile started being truly unlimited until they got bought out by like Dish and this and that. But mobile hotspot enjoys staying connected to the devices you love with mobile hotspot. Data pulls from your monthly data package. So that 50 gigs is all the data you'll get on your phone and hotspot combined. So just be worried about that. Global talk and text, like I said, you can make unlimited calls to over 100 countries. So just some things there for you guys. But basically, like I said, you have to buy 2 months worth, which is not bad. So you're getting this phone technically for free. You're getting 2 months worth of service, so you don't have to worry about that for 2 whole months. Pretty good. Now let's get the full specs on here, guys. This phone does have a 6.7-inch screen, 50 megapixel camera, 46 hours of talk time, and Android 16. It does have a sleek 6.7-inch AMOLED display, which is pretty good, guys, for a budget device. Smooth performance and helpful AI features come together in a phone designed to make everyday life easier, more connected, and more awesome. Well, pretty cool. Of course, the big shiner or the big pull on this phone is going to be the display. I always look at a beautiful display or a great display on a phone because you're going to be watching this screen all day, basically. You know, just plays videos, scroll the news, and read receipts on a sleek 6.7-inch with a new Infinity OLED display that makes immersive viewing a truly awesome. Pretty cool. Of course, here's the smooth performance for everyday apps. It's not, it's not going to be something super like a Snapdragon or anything, but it's going to be something great that this phone will be able to do. Smooth performance whether you're watching videos or playing games. The CPU, GPU, all that cool stuff. Of course, the front-facing camera is 12 megapixel camera, ultra-wide cameras 5 megapixels, wide-angle cameras 50 megapixels, and the macro cameras 2 megapixels. Snap all-worthy selfies, like I said, it does have 12 megapixel HDR front camera, so the selfies, or if you're recording using your front-facing camera, it will look great as well. Circle it, find it. Of course, there's like AI built into it. It says use circle to search with Google to find multiple items of a look. By simply circling the outfit on your screen, it will help you find every piece from top footwear and everything in between. Not bad. Here's some other AI features. It does have effortless object eraser, so if you want to remove these people in the back, you can. It does help having these kind of features, I think so. Say more, type less, voice to text with translations, help make communication easier, clearer, and more accessible wherever life takes you. So if you're traveling, it's a good thing. 6 years of updates, awesome security. So this says you will get 6 years of operating system or the OS upgrades 6 times. Wow. And 6 years of security. That's pretty good. Only Pixels used to have that. Really now looks like the Samsung will have it as well. 5,000 milliamp battery, guys. It's huge. Wow, I might have to get this phone, honestly. 5,000 milliamp battery. Let me know, actually, I could probably purchase this for an unboxing. So digital wallet is already in your Galaxy. So of course you can get the digital wallet if you know about that. Switch is quick and easy, of course, with Samsung Smart Switch that makes you move all your information over. And the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G specs. Here's the rest of the specs. Like I said, it does have 120 Hertz refresh rate. The Super AMOLED Infinity O display, 800 nits. I want to say the brightest. Does have 5,000 milliamp battery. It supports 250 watt super fast charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon. Here you go. So I said, like I was joking back then. I was like, oh, it doesn't have anything like Snapdragon. It does have Snapdragon, but not like a flagship Snapdragon. Is what I really meant. Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 SM6475. Pretty cool. Memory 6 gigs memory, 128 gigs of internal storage. Of course, you get the phone, a USB-C to C cable, quick start, and SIM injector tool. Everybody here is saying everything is pretty good with this phone, so I might have to pick it up, guys, and review it. Let me know in the comments below if you really want me to unbox it and maybe do a review on this phone. So yeah, let me know, guys, and then I'll go ahead and pick it up for you guys. But yeah, like I said, I gotta go back to my roots, guys. This is what I used to do back in the day, just reviewing these phones, unboxing. I haven't done it in a while just because it's been so busy with things. But overall, let me know, like I said, in the comments below. I can go ahead and start reviewing it. Pretty good for $350. You get it for $120 if you sign up. That's pretty good. And let's see all other phones. There's the phone we're talking about. Like I said, if not, you can do a firm for $30 a month. So that's pretty good, I would say, for that price, guys. Of course, like I said, these are the flagship phones, but you can even get an A25 for $200. That's pretty good. But any other phones, we'll talk more about that later, guys. But wow, that one's 25. That's not bad. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. This is one of the phones that I have, and I have done a review on it. So if that interests you, just let me know. Like I said, but yeah, I'm just looking at the phones that they have on for sale. Wow, you can even get a fold. Well, fold's like $2,000. I don't know about that, but yeah. Please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. More videos coming your way. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think. Is it something that will interest you? And here are the other plans, but remember, you have to get this plan to get this deal. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Thanks so much.